Hey guys, this is Renee, and this is my sister,
Neta.
and today we're gonna show you guys, since she came to visit me, how I did this wash and go. So I decided to do her hair, and she didn't mind, did you?
Yes, no, I didn't mind.
She was ready. She's like, you ready to do my hair?
I was like, yeah, do it.
This is the first time I've ever done my sister's hair, ever. Even though she's done my hair before. Long time ago.
Okay.
So let's jump right into the video. She really just like, well, fine, I get my hair done. I ain't gotta do my hair. That was my selling point right there. So yeah, there we have it. How do you like your hair?
I absolutely love the Oils product. The Oils conditioning cream. I
Butter
like
whipped
this.
cream?
The butter whipped cream.
Yeah.
But I'm not really crazy about the extreme styling gel because it makes my hair a little crunchy. Like
Yeah. It is a little. It's a harder
Yeah.
hold. I don't have any other kind of gel, and I know you like Eco Styler, correct?
I like the Eco Styler because it's a little softer. I mean, it does give a great hold, but it's not as hard.
Yeah,
to me.
this is definitely like the. But like I said, that's all I had, so she had to use whatever I had in here. But she can get these crunches out once she stretch it. When she puts her hair in a pineapple, you can stretch out the crunchy part. I put in a little oil when she puts it up in a pineapple tonight. It's gonna help release some of that hardness. But yeah, I did. It did give it a little crunch.
Yeah.
But overall, your hair, you like it or no?
I do like the curls. I mean, you know, it's really nice. I like it. My hair shrinks up the minute, you know. Of course, when it's wet, it's pretty long, but once it's dry,
It shrinks up.
It will shrink up, no matter what product I put on it.
Let's see.
Yeah, has a lot of shrinkage. It looks really short at this point. Yeah.
So yeah, once you do the pineapple, you can get some of that length back. Your hair looks really dark. I think it's just because my hair is colored at the tip.
Yeah.
But I'm like, man, your hair is really black. But my hair is normally
black.
Your hair looks very black.
I like
compared to this brownish.
Well, I mean, I like the color too, so.
But it's only on the tips, really, because this right here is not my natural color. Just the tips. It's really.
Maybe the next time I come back, she can put some color on my hair. You know.
It ain't nothing but a rinse. It ain't like I'm doing actual color. I mean, I am, but I did somewhat bleach my ends though. With peroxide.
Okay.
So all I did was take peroxide, and the only reason why I did the ends, so when I'm ready to cut, I'm cutting it all out.
Just the ends?
Just the ends. But it's about this much of the ends, because I wanted a substantial amount of change.
Yeah, looks nice.
But as long as you keep your hair moisturized, it's not gonna really affect your curls. Now, because it does, what color does it does dry your hair out, and that's kind of with the gel thing.
Right. So I don't want to do that.
No, you need to make sure because she has a little bit of damage in her hair from her Eco Styler gel that she does. She does Eco Styler a lot, according to what she was telling me. She does Eco Styler a lot, but she doesn't do enough moisturizing underneath to kind of help protect it. Because Eco Styler, any gel really, it does dry your hair out. So you want to make sure you do something to help bring back some moisture to your hair. And so that's the thing she's going to be doing with this. And after today, hopefully,
I absolutely love this.
I love this too. This is like my third container. That's how often I use it. I use it on Buddy's hair too.
I'll get a couple of those.
Yeah, this is really, I love this as a leave-in. It's really nice and moisturized and thick. Well, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again for my sister for visiting me so she can let me do her hair, because I was really hoping that her hair wasn't done when she got here.
Seen it before.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye. I like it. Now you think you can redo this at the house?
I can do this.
All right, first off, you get some of this right here. This is what you get. You get this is leave-in conditioning, ORS, butter whipped. I put this in my head almost every. You know how they put the hair behind the tablet a little bit. I put this in my head almost every day. It works amazing. It works great, especially for natural blacks.
Oh, really? Your son.